Remember to turn on the battery at the rear before turning on the power button at the front. Once you're ready, turn off the power, put the switch to one side and remove the battery. We can then take our spare battery, pull the switch to the left hand side and then insert the battery. Power on. Ensure that when sitting down, you do not place your feet here, but instead use the foot paddles supplied. It's important to remember not to try to push the Roamate whilst it's in wheelchair mode. Instead, we press the button and now it's in walker mode. We can now move the wheelchair freely. Currently, both electromagnetic switches are in the lock mode. As you can see, we can't move it. We release the switches, now we have free movement. In case of a power outage, we can come down and lift up the electromagnetic locks, and now we can use this freely. When trying to lift the Roamate over obstacles, you may find that it will trigger overspeed protection. This is because the device has detected that we're moving too fast. So what we should do is simply turn off the power supply and then we can lift it over to the other side. The total combined weight should not exceed 242.5 pounds. Ensure that when we're storing our weight, we only place it on the seat. Do not place bags and other items over the side, as the handles were not designed for weight. Try not to use the Roamate in wet weather, slippery surfaces. If you do happen to come across wet weather, use something like a plastic bag to cover the hand console here and protect it from the rain. And as soon as you can, try to find the nearest shelter to get out of the wet weather.